Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey guys, my name is Amiko and I'm a YouTuber based in Freetown, Sierra Leone. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. But guys, this video is a little bit different from the kind of content that I always put on my channel. But yeah, this is not about niche, so I decided to do this video for you guys. I want to show you guys how I color graded my video. I want you guys to know the app that I use, like the free app that I use to color grade my video and to edit my video, for making my video look so good, from taking it to another level. Like for example, from this to this. Okay, do you see the difference? Yeah, so that is what I am talking about. But first, let me just show you the app that I use. I use InShot. InShot is a free app and I love using InShot since I started uploading my videos here on YouTube. InShot is my holy grail app that I use for editing my videos, and InShot is a free app. I use it like 98% of editing. And I also use another app which is called CapCut, the most famous editing app ever, CapCut. But I only use CapCut for like touch up because I have a quite an exciting time while I edit on InShot. Let me just show you guys how I edit the video, okay? So guys, this is the InShot app on the right hand corner. I click on it and it shows me these three options: the video, photo and collage. So what I do next is to click on where it says video, and I'm also going to click on new, and this is where it brought me to my album, and these are my videos. So I'm going to click on the video that I want to edit. Now this is the video that I want to edit, right? And the app also comes with these editing features, which is Canva, audio, stickers, text, effects, filters, pip, and so on and so forth. So now I'm gonna be clicking on filters, and it also has this 4 features. Now I'm going to click on filters and it will show me this option, and next I will click on adjust. And for me, this is where the editing starts because there are different options here also. So what I want to do now is to lighten the video. So I will click on lightness and I will lighten my video up to 35. The next feature that I'm going to use is the contrast, and I'm going to increase that to 20. I love using contrast on my video simply because I have yellow undertone, and I love the fact that it does not make my skin looking red, unlike saturation. Yeah, so that is why I love it. So the next features that we are going to use is saturation, and I'm going to increase it to 6. Yeah, I want my video to look edited, but I don't want it to over edit. Okay, I don't want it to look too reddish, so that is why I'm only using 6. I'm gonna click on these HSL features, and these also have a varieties of colors that you can use to color grade your videos, but this is a pro features, so that is why I'm not going to use it. Okay, so let's look for the one that is free, which is called color, and I'm going to click on it, and these are the colors that are available. So I'm going to play with these colors. Okay, here you can pick any color that suits your undertone, but for me, I'm going to pick different colors. You can see when I started picking the colors, I am playing with them. I pick blue. Just do what works for you, basically. Just do what works for you. So for me, I pick blue, green and light blue because of the flower, like the fake flower that is behind me. So that is why I pick those colors. Okay, but just do what works for you, just like I said earlier. Yeah, for me, the 3 colors that I choose, I just increase them to 15. And next I also choose the sharpen features, so I increase the sharpness to 50. So yes guys, that is basically how I color graded my videos. Yeah, that is everything that I do. So I'm just going to show you guys the different features if you want to try out another features, because this app have a lot of features which are free, by the way. But yeah guys, I only leave it like that. The only thing that I do is to increase the volume of my video. That is all. So yeah, that is how I edit my videos. But you can do what works for you. Remember, we have different undertone, right? So just do what works for you. So I'm done editing, but I want to do one thing, which is the watermark. So I click on the right hand corner and I remove the watermark. Yeah, then later on save my video. Yeah guys, that is basically everything. That is how I edited my videos, and I hope you learned a lot from editing with this app. This app is a free app. Yeah, it has its own premium, but I'm not using the premium. I'm just using like the free areas that are available, that will also make your video look more cinematic and more edited. And yeah, the other thing that I use also to film my video is my ring lights. Let me show you guys. I have it right beside me. Okay, I only use my ring light and the natural lighting, because for the most part we don't have light all of the time, so I use my power bank. Right now my ring light is connected through my power bank. That is why I have like a little bit of lighting going on here. Okay, let me just switch this off so that you can see how the natural lighting looks like without the ring light. That is how it looks like. Quite cool, and I love it. Okay, I love natural lighting. But just get yourself a good ring light. If you don't have light all of the time in your community, find yourself a power bank. That is what I have that will help me film my videos. Okay, that is basically everything. I hope you love the video. So I just decided to do this for you guys so that you too can know how I edited my videos. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to your girls channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.